For decades, one of cancer research's most difficult challenges remained out of reach. Could we successfully target KRAS, one of the most common mutations in cancer? Thanks to years of tireless work and innovation, the answer is now clear. Lumakras, or sotorasib, is a first-in-class medicine approved for once-daily oral use to treat adults with KRAS G12C mutated locally advanced or metastatic non-small cell lung cancer, as determined by an FDA-approved test, after prior systemic therapy. More recently, it has been approved for the treatment of adult patients with KRAS G12C mutated metastatic colorectal cancer in combination with Vectibix, panitumumab. The launch of Lumakras marked the culmination of a 40-year quest to drug the undruggable. Amgen took on one of cancer's greatest challenges and delivered an innovative medicine that helped change the non-small cell lung cancer treatment paradigm. Tonight we honor Tara Arvidsson, Victor C., Daniel Erlandson, Brian Landman, John McCarter, Christopher Moore, Andrew Parsons, Lori Volak. Lumakras is the first targeted therapy developed for tumors with the KRAS G12C mutation. Its accelerated approval in the U.S. in 2021 was a landmark moment in oncology and a powerful step forward for patients. Non-small cell lung cancer, or NSCLC, accounts for nearly 90% of the 2.2 million new lung cancer cases diagnosed worldwide each year. In the U.S., about 13% of patients with NSCLC have cells that carry the KRAS G12C mutation. Until recently, there were no approved targeted therapies for these patients. Lumakras changed that, offering a treatment option, even in patients whose disease had progressed on earlier therapies. In January 2025, the FDA approved a second indication, Lumakras combined with Vectibix for adults with KRAS G12C mutated metastatic colorectal cancer following prior standard chemotherapy. This marked the first full approval of a KRAS G12C inhibitor. This progress is especially meaningful for people living with advanced cancers. The 5-year survival rate for patients with metastatic non-small cell lung cancer remains low, just 16% for patients receiving immunotherapy. And in colorectal cancer, treatment options for patients with KRAS G12C mutated tumors have historically been limited. Lumakras helps fill a critical gap for people living with both of these difficult-to-treat cancers. In the U.S., more than 7,200 patients have been prescribed Lumakras by more than 4,500 healthcare providers. But its greatest value lies in the lives it touches. The Lumakras team continues to be driven by the hope of reaching more patients in need. The American Chemical Society recognizes these heroes of chemistry from Amgen for their outstanding contributions to science and their service to society.